Alright, let's see what we got here. This arrived from the UK, from Tod's workshop in Oxfordshire, in the United Kingdom, in England. I've been waiting a couple of weeks for this. It got shipped, I think, like the day after I ordered it. But there's been, according to the Royal Mail website, a cyber incident in the UK, which means that I think it got a little bit delayed, or at least the tracking system on the Royal Mail website was all a bit skewish. That's nothing at all to do with who put this in the mail, because that went out like the day after I ordered it. I've been looking forward to getting this since. Let's see. Oh, stapled fairly well in. Had to sign for it. So thankfully I was here when the good lady, post lady person came. Alright, okay, here we go. Are we ready? Woohoo! Can you guess what it is yet? Alright, paper apparently. Lots and lots of paper. Ooh, 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 it's an orange. Anyone see that? Oh, it's a biggie. Oh, blimey. Alright, so there we go. Whatever it is, it's in there. So let's put this here and out of the way. Okay. And whoop, get those staples out. Ooh, isn't that fancy pants? Super fancy pants. Oh, I do like, I don't want to rip the, well, I'm going to rip the sticker, who cares? Oh, 2 lots. Let's see. First off, I've got Tod Cutler, knives, leatherwork and castings. So that's the dude's information, todcutler.com, and on the back I've got Tod's Workshop, ooh, custom bespoke, todsworkshop.com. Alright, and where is she? GracieTheDog.com. Actually, no, she doesn't have her own website. So the first one, the first up, let's have a look. In a natural veg tan leather. Is it tanned if it's not? I suppose it is veg tan. I don't know the technical details, but oh, that lovely stitching, beautifully thick leatherwork, and dum da 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 dum 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 dum. Oh, look at that sexy beast! Dang, that's nice. Can you see that? Holy macaroons! And there's his stamp or seal, or for Tod. Hold it that way around, you can see. Dang. Oh, that's a mean mofo, isn't it? Look at that thing. Dang. Alright, okay, so super liking that razor knife thing. And it's nice and stiff, so it's not flopping around, so it stays open, stays closed. That's nice. Ooh, shiny things. Happy me. Alright, so I'm gonna pop that in there. It's gonna be a real treat. And then here we go, my big ticket item. Ha ha ha! I'm so happy. All right, okay. Pop that over there again, out the way. The rubber band's just holding it in place. Ooh, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. So actually, tell you what, let's do it the other way around. I've got a sheath. I asked for green again. Apparently double layered. It is. I think I can just about see that. Pop it open. Double layered. Again, veg tan, whatever that is. Lovely little. Is that a finial? I don't know the terms. I should have researched all the terms. Always key when you're doing a little demonstration, I suppose, is to know what the heck you're talking about. But I don't. But I know what I like. That's pretty damn cool. Look at that stitching. Lovely. And I'll just tell you what it is, because I know what it is and when I've ordered it. Otherwise, it's a mid-status, so not one of the fancy pants ones from, what was it called? Tod's Workshop. This is from Tod Cutler. So it's not one of his fancy pants ones, but I like it. It's called a mid-status. I cut myself. Live by the sword, die by it. It's a mid-status, which means it's sort of like the, is it middle class, I suppose, like a merchant's knife, mid-status Bollock dagger. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, aren't you absolutely beautiful? Ooh. Alright, okay, so, what is he? He said it pinged or something. I don't know. Folded over. Lovely wood handle. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's lovely. And there's that sign of his again. Oh, and it's oiled too. Oh, goody, goody. Oh, I like. What do you think, guys? Here, let's pop it in here. Am I doing it right? Am I cocking it up on my first go? Probably. Oh, what a fit. Look at, oh, it's a beaut. Oh, it's lovely. Sorry, I'm not holding it where you can see it. Look at that's, oh, that's a nice piece of kit. So I'm just waving the darn thing around, not paying attention to where it is on the camera. Wow. Alright, well, that's about it. I've got this, and doesn't that go in and out? Nice. And, where's the other one? There. Aren't they fab? Alright, well, okay, now you know what I got, and my latest little treasures for the Horde. You have a great one, guys. All the best to you. Bye.